Morning, everyone. I'll wait for more people to join. And I'm your host and host, Sonali Singh today. Aradhana is not here. Hello, Ankita. Hi. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Shashwin, Radhe. Hello, good morning. Hi, Nishita. Hi, Umesh. Hi, Sunera. Hi, Appy. So today Aradhana is on her way. She has low network, so I have come here. Nice to see you too. Hi, Nishita. Hi, Friendly Whispers. So today I'm your host Sonali, and I'm an Access Consciousness Bars facilitator, a social entrepreneur, and and co-creator with Be the Change team. And today I'm here to talk to you and talk to our amazing guest Malini. I'll invite you soon. Hi Sunil, good morning. So today our question is, hi Rivati, thank you for being here. Today our question is, be what you are asking. So what are you refusing to be, that if you will be it, you will receive everything that you are asking? And what is that? Hi Vipul, good morning. So how many times we have been just asking questions and not really being the energy of that question? Even with the question, how does it get better than this? With every question that you are asking, can you be the energy of that question and truly be it? Or are you asking just for the heck of it? So what is it that you are truly asking? If you're asking for more money, what will it take for you to be that money? What will it take for you to be that money that attracts all the money on the planet? If you're asking for more ease and more fun, what would being more fun and more ease look like? Good morning, everyone joining. It's good to see you all here. And how did I get so lucky to have you here with me? So thank you for being here. So what is it that you can be now that will create your reality the way you would like it to be? So, and what would being whatever you're asking look like? And what is it that you're truly asking? Are you willing to be that? So what I'm asking is for a lot of speed in my creations, like really being that I'm creating 100 things at a time. Wow, Sunana, how does it get better than that? So when I'm asking 100 creations in my life moving from the speed of light, am I willing to be that? Oh my God, I know. Thank you. I wonder what connection I have with Rani Mukherjee. I've always got that compliment, either for my voice and today for my looks as well. What it is. Thank you, Sonal. I would take that as compliment. So when I'm asking for 100 things in my life, when I'm asking for more money to show up, when I'm asking for more ease to show up, more fun to show up, more adventure to show up, am I willing to be all that energy in my body and in my reality? So what is it that you are wanting to be? What is it that you are asking and you can be? So I guess a lot of people have joined now, and I guess it's also the time. It's also the time for me to invite our beautiful guest Malini Rastagi, who is Bars facilitator. If you have any questions, you can start putting them now and we'll take them up. And who is gonna share Seems like no network. I guess I have network. Can somebody confirm that if you can look at me? If you can. I think so, yes. Umesh, can you confirm if you can watch me? Yes. Okay, how does it get better than that? So I'm gonna take Malini Ristagi online with me. How to. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Thank you, Rivati.
Hi,
Hi, Malini. Good morning. Thank you for joining, darling.
how are
So,
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Yay. So, today gonna be here asking you the same question that we have been asking. So, what gift bars has been for you? So,
Okay. Let me introduce myself. This is my
yes.
second year as a BAS facilitator,
Wow.
and along with that, I'm a wellness mentor and president of Wiki Delhi. And BAS has been a huge, tremendous gift for me. Before BAS, yes, I was living, but I was living what others were expecting me to live as. You know, a good daughter-in-law, a good mother, a good sister, a good daughter, a good wife, a good doormat as well. But after bars, things shifted for me. I started to be myself, live my life as I choose to live it as, not what others are expecting me to. And that was a huge shift because there are a lot of things in our life which are told to us as wrongs or bads because that is how others lose control on a human being. And when I realized after bars that there is nothing called good or bad and right and wrong, things became so much simpler. And all I got to be was just be myself, and that was it.
Wow.
So it was a beautiful journey that started after bars, and I did not took any bars session. I just jumped into a bars class and became a practitioner. And at that time, it was somewhere around, I would say, 4 to 5 years back. At that time, people were not running their own bars. So maybe I was amongst a few people who used to run their own bars because I didn't have anybody at my home to do that. So I would touch my own bars and I would run them and I would play an audio because lots of clearings are there on YouTube also. So I'll play something for myself and I'll do it. And my life literally started to shift from points of view everywhere to absolutely in a space wherein I do not judge people. I'm in alliance of them, and it's a beautiful, beautiful world in which I live now. That's my reality.
Wow. How does it get better than that? So you mean to say bars has made you a bad girl and you have been more happy and you have been creating more beautiful realities?
Yes, I'm creating a much more beautiful reality for myself, and I'm the worst, bad, filthy, rich bitch from the hell. And I have no qualms about it.
Wow. So for all the people who are actually done with being good, or maybe being good is not working out for you, what if bars is a possibility to make you something that will really work out for you?
Trust me, guys, or even if you don't trust me, I don't care. If you run your bars, then you are going to become what you really not want to become. Every knot in your list, oh, that's bad. Because that is what other people are enjoying,
Hmm.
and you are pretty big about it. You are done being good, you are done being excellent, and still your life is not shifted. Now try and be the bad one. Break your barriers of good, bad, right, wrong, and enjoy. Just have lots and lots of fun. And our mantra, that is all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory, that works wonders. That's magical. You are stuck in a rafting boat, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. There is a situation, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Before I sleep, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And after I wake up, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And all of life is coming to me with ease, joy, and glory.
Wow. So that's actually a beautiful difference between the affirmation, but really the mantra, what it says is like all the good, bad, ugly parts of your life, everything you are going with ease, joy, and glory. It's because there is no separation
Absolutely.
in your world between good and bad and right and wrong. When everything is, fun, when everything is a point of view.
Yeah, I would add something here. Like, if you think that something is not resonating with you, we have a beautiful question over there that what is so good in this that I'm not able to acknowledge? And it shifts. Like, the awareness comes, and you realize that, okay, this is the thing, this is my lesson. And as soon as you are in that space, it shifts. So bars comes with a lot. I mean, bars itself is a gift, and it opens a lot of other gifts for you as well. If you choose to become a bars practitioner, the entire manual is gifted. The first thing it tells you is to be in the question. And this reality has always taught you, do not question. People do not question. Stick by the rules. And once you are in bars, it's like there is no rule. So how does it get any better than this? And what else is possible, people?
No rules, my God. Must.
Yeah.
So, Khushi, makeup artist by Khushi, you are telling that Malini's voice is cracking. Somehow her voice is very clear to me. So, is it on your end, or if it is somebody, if it is at somebody else, then also please let us know because I guess it is fine for me. Awesome. Great. I guess it is on her end. Yes. So it's been lovely, Malini, listening to you, and it is also very interesting that when I did my first bars class, I was actually so. I guess your voice is fine, Poonam. Confirmed. Thank you. I also jumped directly into the class. I'd never seen bars running. I've never even watched any video. What is bars? How do you run bars and everything? I just didn't know. I just immediately jumped into the possibility of attending the bars class and getting my bars done. So how was that? The first, yeah, go
I
ahead.
tell you something interesting there. One of my friends invited for a bar session, and I was like, oh, another modality. I am done with so many. No, no. What difference will it make? I have tried this, I have tried that, I've done Falama, Dimkama, but my life is still the same. So I do not want to go into another thing. Then she told me about this clearing statement when we were talking that we say something like this and life shifts. I was like, what are you talking about, yaar? I mean, here we are practicing for 21 days and nothing shifts, and you are telling me that you just say this statement and things shift. Then I then I googled it. I found a few videos on YouTube, and something actually shifted in me.
Wow.
So I found out with whom I can do my first class, and I went there along with a friend and my kid also. We attended, and that session was magnificent. It was such a miracle that, before that, whenever somebody used to say something against me, I used to get triggered. And after that session, after that class, whatever they would say, I would be like, interesting point of view. So nothing entered into my head after. I mean, things stopped entering into my head. And I was just euphoric about how my life is shifting each day because I used to run my bars each day.
Wow. That's so amazing. Actually, after your bars class, when it was for me, it was the first time when you have got your bars run, and like I cannot imagine like running your bars every day. Wow, what contribution it would be! Like wow, how did you get so lucky?
I can skip bathing for a day, but I don't skip bars.
Wow, still,
Yeah,
how does it get better than that? Wow.
that's my tonic. That's my happiness tonic to myself.
Wow, and what gift it is that you have given to yourself and that you're continuously giving every day and having that for yourself, that particular time for yourself, for your healing, for your joy. Wow. Like what a
After
contribution.
bars, I took those decisions in my life which I really dreaded to take. I was scared, I was afraid, I was not sure, I was so doubtful, like down inside a hole I was. And Buzz brought me up and showed me a new reality that this is also possible.
Wow. Great. How does it get better than that? So I like from being the good girl to the bad girl, from somebody who was not willing to make choices to becoming that power force in your life where you are making brave, courageous choices and creating your own reality and getting your bars done every day. I wonder what invitation it is for everybody who is watching right now and who's gonna watch us this live in future. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Malini, for being here.
I would just add one more thing here, Sonali, that today we have this play, Be What You Ask For. So
Hmm.
before that, I would say that I was scared of asking, and now I play with it. Now the genie called universe is at my discretion, and I'm playing with it every day. I'm doing 10-second increments. I ask the universe and I forget it. Just like you ask your genie to do something, okay, do this for me. I don't know how you'll do it. I don't know when you'll do it and why you'll do it. Just do it for me because I want it. And even when it comes to me and I don't want to choose it, I make a different choice.
Oh. So
Because
it will
now
really be
life
so
is
simple.
yeah. Now life is nothing good, bad, right, wrong. It's just a choice. Make a different choice. You like it, great. You do not like it, again make a choice.
And it can be that simple. Like
Yeah.
when you're willing to be what you're asking, just be it. You know, just make a choice and that's it. And you don't have to do anything about it. What if you can just simply choose to be that force in your life and let universe take care of
Yeah.
everything that
Just
needs to
be
be
that.
done?
Just be yourself.
Yay. Thank you. If anybody has any question, I don't think so. So thank you, Malini. Thank you for being here. And we would love to talk to you soon again, sometime. So
Absolutely, absolutely. And it was fun in being in conversation with you.
same here, same here. How did I get so lucky? And we'll have this video on IGTV for everybody to watch. And please share this. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye bye.